Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring your device is unlocked and your account is accessible. This avoids interruptions. Open Settings, then tap Digital Wellbeing or the specific app's privacy page. This is where data controls live. If you use multiple accounts, pick the one that collected the data. Once done, make sure backups are paused so deleted items don't immediately restore. You should see usage charts, app timers, and a data controls button. Tap that to begin the deletion workflow and proceed to the next step. Now you'll choose what to remove. Tap Timeline or Data Controls, then pick a range, today, 7 days, 30 days, or a custom span to limit scope. Next, toggle categories like activity logs, app usage, notifications, and sleep data. For app-specific stores, open each app's privacy page and use Clear Data or Delete History. When you tap Delete or Clear, the system asks for confirmation. Read prompts, then confirm. Once done, verify the counts drop to 0 before moving on. Finish by verifying that timelines and charts show no retained entries. Check account sync to ensure deletions propagated across devices. If sync is on, disable it temporarily to stop restored data, then recheck. Make sure app caches are cleared so remnants don't display. If data reappears, sign out and sign back in or clear the app's cache and storage. This often resolves stuck records. If problems persist, contact the service's support and provide timestamps and account details for fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.